In this video, we are going to see how we can activate the Roblox Plus free trial without costing us anything monthly. So basically, you get a 1 month free trial, although it's $4.99 after 1 month, but you can just get the Roblox Plus and transfer your Robux, and then you can easily cancel the subscription whenever you want. So it's a pretty straightforward process. All you have to do is, first of all, log in into your Roblox account, and once you do that, you hit the Roblox icon on the right hand corner. Here it is. So you click on that, and once you click on that, as you can see, I have this amount of Robux in my account. So I want to transfer it to someone. What we can do is, on the right hand corner, we have this send icon. So once we click on the send, it shows us the username. For example, I want to transfer it to my friend. I'll choose the friend, but it says that you need to have Roblox Plus account, which cost us $4.99 per month. But as you can see down here, that we can get it for free for 1 month. So let's try it. Click on try it for free, and it says just read the policy clearly so that you keep in mind the expiration date and when will the next payment be charged. So the starting date is 1 month free trial. The starting date is 12th of July, which will cost us this amount of rupees. Cancel anytime in subscription on Google Play. You won't be charged if you cancel before July 12th. So you can see this clearly that you will not be charged with anything if you cancel it on the right time. So that's this thing, an option that we want to use. We will send you a reminder 7 days before the trial ends. So even that's better, that you will get the early notification reminder as well that your subscription is about to end, and the next month you will be charged, so you can easily cancel at any time. So I have my card details saved here. I'll just hit subscribe and let's verify. And now, as you can see, my Robux sending screen is now open. I can send any Robux amount to my friend. So that is how it works. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.